In this short video, we will show you how to use the XIP Professional Golden Touch Sculpting Palette Cream to contour and highlight your facial features in a very natural way. By highlighting and contouring different areas, you can change the appearance of your face shape and enhance your natural features. Apply the light highlighting shade of your choice. Begin at the centre of your forehead with 3 brush strokes. Start in between your eyebrows and move the brush upwards. Ensure the highlighting shade is blended perfectly. Start with the brush under your eye and sweep towards the upper corner of your cheekbone. Ensure the highlighting shade is blended seamlessly. Highlight the bridge of the nose to lighten your face. Apply the light shade in the centre of your nose, moving the brush up from just the tip of the nose towards the middle of your eyes and blend. Highlight the centre of your chin. Highlight the brow bone to lift and define the eye area. Finally, highlight the creases that create shadows on the face, such as in the nasal fold area and around the nose. Now to contour the face, apply a dark shade of your choice. To make your forehead appear smaller and add warmth to the face, apply the dark shade around the hairline. But you must ensure this is blended perfectly. Apply the dark shade of your choice above the temple to add depth to the face. To strengthen your bone structure, apply the dark shade to the hollows of your cheeks, blending upwards towards the ear. Use the sculpting brush to blend well. To add definition and slim the face, contour under the jawline by applying the dark shade on the bottom of your chin. Blend in well for a flawless finish. If you want to narrow the appearance of the nose, apply the dark shade on the sides of the nose and also apply to the tip. To create the illusion of a plumper lip, add a small amount of dark shade just under your bottom lip.